so.
Are we gonna start over?
I'll respect it.
Okay.
That's what you said last time.
I did.
You ready?
Lights, camera, action, and we're rolling.
Hey guys. By the way, gaming here. Coming at you with another video. Today we have a special guest. Carter. Say hi.
Hello.
He's Spanish.
Spanish.
And he's
Ethan.
also not.
I'm Justin.
And I'm Andon.
We are the full.
We are, by the way, gaming.
Yeah.
4 out of 3.
4 out of 3.
And let's
This is the
begin.
lamest intro ever.
I know.
4
I was-
thirds.
Yeah,
4/3.
yeah, 4/3.
We have an extra third. Wait a minute.
The extra taquito when you take it out of the box, and you don't want to put it in the box, and you don't want to put back
Oh,
in the
no.
box for this just one extra
Why?
taquito.
No.
So it's Justin playing.
Again.
Probably should check off.
Ooh, what is that?
Ooh, Bigfoot is on camera 2.
That's right next to your camp, Justin.
That is?
Yeah.
Coming for them booty cheeks.
You sure that's camera 2?
Yep, I'm pretty sure. I dare you to go outside and actually start shooting at Justin.
1 second. Let me look at. Where's my camera though?
Be gone. Did you hear beeping, Justin?
Yeah.
Did you see him? I'm pretty sure I saw him.
I don't hear beeping. I just hear growling.
You hear growling?
And he's
No, that's
like-
the truck.
Oh.
I think this was
That's
it.
camera 2. I'm pretty sure that's camera 2. You should set up a trap.
with your very little help.
Yeah, thank you, Ethan, for that.
Mm-hmm.
What?
You're welcome. Go and
Where-
try and find like a
where's
tower.
Found a tower?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, Justin, remember last time where I told you where to go?
Yeah, up here.
Yeah. Follow the trail.
Yeah, we've tried recording this episode like 5 times.
I think it was only one time, Landon.
No, I'm
No,
pretty
it's
sure it was
been
like
5.
5.
And then you couldn't make it, so me and Andon had to record a side episode.
Yeah.
What do we call those? Frightful.
Thursday night thrill fest,
Mm-hmm.
which there won't be one this Thursday.
Why?
I don't know.
There will be one.
Okay, I guess there's gonna be one this Thursday, which is tomorrow, as the time that we're filming this.
Stay tuned. It could be me. It could be Andon. Or it could be me and Justin. Or it could be Justin
This
and
isn't
Andon.
spooky at all.
You like totally went past the tower, I think, dude.
Did I?
I don't know.
Isn't it up that road?
Yeah, I'd say go and see what's up at the top of that road.
Yeah.
I don't see a road though.
$5 says it says it's the little light gray line.
Yeah, I know.
That's
I don't see it on his screen though.
Hmm. Or you're not looking at the ground.
Oh, there's the path.
Oh.
Oh, what's that yellow thing over there? Sawmill.
Ooh,
Okay, okay.
Well, this is very interesting.
what's here?
Signal
Signal
flares.
So how do you pick them up?
Item limit.
oh.
You've reached the amount of items you can have. Go down in it.
Go down. Go down in what?
Oh, I thought you could go down in it.
Wait, keep exploring though.
And you could find a med kit.
You might be able to find a dead body here too.
No, or a med kit.
Why can't it be light out?
Oh,
Yeah, so we're thinking about either ending
Oh,
this
wait.
series either when we kill Bigfoot or when we find the
Oh, you
bodies.
can't take the axe.
Of course you can't take the axe. You have a gun. Why would you swing an axe at Bigfoot?
Cause it can give him brain
See if
damage?
you can find help. Jeff.
Brain. In Justin's logic, does it give Bigfoot brain damage?
Yeah. Light out.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there's more up at the top, Justin.
Where?
Did you see to your right? To your
No.
right? To your right?
Reload a
To your
signal
right?
flare.
To your right? to your right, Justin.
There you go.
That up that way. There's like a big old path that leads up to the hill. That was a very lame sawmill.
Oh,
It's alright, it gave him a signal for it.
Yeah, you didn't find any medkits though.
Ooh.
Is this more of a sawmill?
Why does Justin always find the more things than me and Andon?
I found the fence.
Because you hide it everywhere and Ann gets killed.
Yeah.
That's a good point. This chair's broken.
I noticed that.
This is the one.
Oh wait, remember guys? You guys left me on like no health. So,
Ethan left me at no health.
How it works, right, Carter? Yes. How it works. I don't know how to game. He only plays superheroes.
Superhero gaming.
Oh yeah, Spider-Man.
Oh yeah.
I wish we had done a series on that.
on
Wish
what?
we had done a series like there's not a possibility for us to do it.
Right, but it's so far out there. It came out in 2018.
How long do you think this game is?
I think 2016. So your point is?
So if it's less than 2 years away, then it doesn't count. Oh!
Oh. That sound terrified me.
That's light.
Dude, when the new Miles came.
This is terrifying.
Yeah.
Venom's supposed to be.
The other thing I'm not excited for is they said it's not like gonna be like a full-on game. It's gonna be like Uncharted: The Lost Legacy.
It's gonna be like a game.
Yeah.
What is? That's not gonna be a good game.
It'll still probably be really good, but it just won't be,
Like Spider-Man.
yeah. A lot of lightning happening.
There is. Oh, what's that there?
Are you serious? Are you straight drinking Sprite sauce?
No,
I found something.
I'm looking at like a
Oh, is that where you find? Wait, Justin, look at that cliff. Look at that cliff again. Can you walk up? Not that cliff, but you're right. There's something over there.
There's that.
Ah! Don't feel like
Don't go in rocks. Yeah, from what we've learned, rocks lead to death or getting stuck. So get off the rocks, Justin. You can
I got stuck in between two rocks and couldn't get out. Hard.
It's 127 hours.
Yeah. No.
If only that was a possibility.
Yeah.
I would have chopped my legs off and crawled. Oh, that was cool lightning effect.
I know lightning is cool.
Ooh. I thought that was like a stupid cobra.
Oh, I really want to try it.
So we're gonna try and block this monster.
Mind blocking.
Is there anywhere else to discover?
Yeah, I think you're just not looking in the right places.
Yeah, you suck at playing.
You're one to speak.
I say it's literally found everything on our map.
Yeah. Hey, I just don't.
Oh, what happened to the flat? Oh,
Tent? You mean the one that you set up?
Yeah.
that, and then you got killed by Bigfoot? That was...
I think.
Oh! One was up! Oh!
Shut up.
Guess whose fault that is? All Ethan's.
Shut up.
Okay, but we know where the sawmill is, so just rush up to the sawmill.
Yeah.
One
Take
right
that
there.
extra rifle with you.
I want to take it. I don't think it lets you.
Yeah, it's because another player usually is playing with you.
Yeah.
We're doing this solo.
It's probably the only way you win this.
Probably.
Yeah. Wait, does Bigfoot tell?
Yeah.
It does, yeah. It hasn't appeared yet, though.
What?
Fun.
Well, when you die.
Well, it stays the same as it was when you, saved.
And then it's like, you're a retard.
Ethan's straight drinking, Fry sauce.
From Paul Bunyan, dude. Who wouldn't drink their fry sauce?
Me.
You're a ghost.
I hate Paul Bunyan.
Carter, you
Not saying
what?
their fry sauce isn't good,
Yeah.
but I'm not gonna slurp it out of a cup.
I hate their fry sauce, Brandon.
Fry sauce, all fry sauce kind of taste the same.
Why did you just put on my shoulder?
Fry sauce, dude.
That's a lie.
Ed's special
Justin,
sauce.
we said rush up to the Sawmill.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trying.
Whoa, Sawmill.
Go check the backpack again.
There's nothing.
I'm
new.
pretty sure it's gonna be the same
Just a
stuff.
flare.
Ah,
Flare.
stupid.
Okay, look in that direction this time
This
though.
direction?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This direction?
Yeah.
Direction, lection, gotta get some.
It's called direction because I'm gonna die.
Direction, election.
Wait, what was that light over there?
Joe Biden's got direction.
What, lightning?
Okay. Goodness, Ethan.
No, I can't. Because my thing is restricted.
I need help.
Wait, what was that?
What?
Up there, what is that?
Direction,
That's
election.
wood.
Oh,
You know what wood is, Andon?
yeah, I know. This doesn't look like wood.
Oh, I'm on top of it. Something
That's
up
my
here?
new catchphrase. Direction, election. Joe Biden's got me.
Oh my gosh.
Ethan!
How to piss off 50%
No
of our
politics.
viewers. Just kidding, all our viewers are Republicans. I know that because no one else watches us except for people we know.
You better hope they're all.
And for people that actually have a sense of, like,
So the
a sense
fence
of
is
idea.
like the barrier.
Yeah, I
Well,
think we already
apparently
knew
this
that.
wood is too. This is a big, like, national forest.
Not that big.
Yeah,
Not as big as Yellowstone.
that's true.
Or Jellystone.
That's true. Hey, should I go down?
That was way too close.
Alright, watch where you're holding your mouse, Justin, because you're getting close to,
A record button.
yeah.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't do it. Don't do it, Justin.
Alright, I doubt they're gonna have anything super.
What was that? He just couldn't make it anymore. You broke down.
I'm just waiting for some little thing to, like a rabbit to come bite me and I die.
Yeah, because Ethan basically left us crippled for the entire game.
Yeah.
Looking for crippling depression.
When you all you have left is Bigfoot.
We're forever gonna beat this game.
We're never gonna beat this game.
We're gonna be like 100 episodes in. No subscribers anymore.
Episode 100.
Even I haven't subscribed to us.
We've just lost all hope in each other.
Finding Bigfoot. When will it ever end? I got lost in the forest and never came out. Finding Bigfoot. When will it end?
Finding Bigfoot part.
The thing is, though, if I even spot Bigfoot, I'm dead. There's no question about it.
I mean,
So.
if you spot anything, you're dead.
No, wolf is stuff I can actually kill with one shot.
No, you can't.
Wolves you can, I think.
You use a target?
Ooh. Okay, from what we know, fence equals good.
No, apparently not.
Fence means you're on the trail.
Yeah. Well, look at a fallen tree. That's sexy.
Only Justin would say something.
Long and fur.
Oh wow, Justin didn't know you were that.
I didn't know you were a
Equalologist.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, who ripped it? Dude, it's like what Donovan was saying. You sure it wasn't you, dog? Dude, it wasn't me because I was on that side of the room.
Dude, isn't there something down here?
I don't know.
Probably is.
I don't want to find out.
I have a feeling there's a lot of stuff in there. Remember, there's 3 other bodies we still have to find.
Yeah. Good luck.
Look, yeah, I have no faith in it.
Light up the air. For like 2 seconds.
What even is this anymore? Johnson's over here, that tree is sexy. He's over here making moaning noises. Oh, what is that?
It's a fence, man.
I think it's like saying the national park.
Oh, that's just the entrance.
I know. You don't know.
But why can you go behind it?
What?
Yeah.
You can't.
No, you can't.
Well, that road leads to it.
This?
Yeah, look, the other road left.
I think it's just a map of the roads. I don't think you're
Wow,
supposed to
that's-
take it. Well, we're at like.
It's okay, you can keep going. You found something.
Oh, well, but
I guess you found the sawmill.
oh, please no. Oh, wait, that better be me passing my camera.
Yeah, that's. Yeah, no, look at where you're at.
Oh, you passing my camera.
Okay, look at that sign. Look at what. Okay, hiking trail.
Oh!
And Justin got right back.
Alright, well,
Well, I found a sawmill, but then died, so we have to
so then
re-find
they found
it.
the sawmill again and then died, and now we have to go find the sawmill
Yeah.
again. I don't think it's gonna be worth finding the sawmill
No.
again because there's nothing there.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. I
I
hope
don't
you
know why you
enjoyed.
would want to do that, but if you
Yeah.
did watch
Yeah,
it, you might
thanks.
as well like and subscribe because
Like, it's literally pushing like what? 2 buttons if you like and subscribe both. It's just
you don't have to
like
turn
it.
on notifications. Yeah, we're not worth it if you don't turn on notifications.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you think so, you
Smash that like button if you like my
No.
sexy mode.
lightly tap the subscribe
No,
button.
smash it.
No.
Like, smash it.
Because if you smash it,
What?
like Justin would smash the tree.
Say goodbye, Carter.
Bye.